This is just a short video to show people how to connect a non-plumbed LG or similar fridge to mains filtered water. So we start with a filter, and initially only one pipe was in the back of this fridge, which came from a tank in the fridge and was fed to a pump and then was dispensed at the front. I have since added a second pipe from a filter which runs into the fridge itself, from the back, and then up into the tank, and with a stopcock from a pond pump into the actual tank. That means that the tank fills itself each time and dispenses cold water from the dispenser without having the need to refill the tank at all, as it's self-automated. So I just thought I'd show a quick how-to for anyone that wants to do the same modification. It's very straightforward indeed.